Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video today. We're here at a private collector's collection, and one of the vehicles that we'll be auctioning off is part of this collection. The collector obviously likes to focus on some of the fastest and most luxurious cars of their time period, and today's vehicle is no exception. I'm Carbon Zander, I'm a friend of the owner, and this is Demi, master mechanic.
How you doing?
Let's go ahead and take a look at the vehicle up for auction today. This is a 1987 Jaguar XJ6 Vanden Plas, finished in satin beige metallic over beige leather, and tastefully upgraded with a rare 5-speed manual transmission. Under the hood, you've got Jaguar's legendary 4.2-liter inline-six, and power goes to the rear through the Borg-Warner T-5 gearbox. It rides on chrome wire wheels, features Euro spec quad headlights, a sunroof, and polished dual exhaust tips. Inside, you'll find all the Vanden Plas luxuries: hand-finished burlwood trim, plush leather seats, and a modern Kenwood stereo with a trunk-mounted amp and subwoofers. Recent work includes a new clutch, brake service, fluid changes, and the removal of the factory oil. This car runs and drives with that classic British charm, and it's being offered with a clean Carfax report and clean Florida state title. If you're looking for a vintage Jag with just the right amount of character and a third pedal, this one's worth a serious look. Bid today. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up. I gotta tell you, for a 1984 Jag, this air conditioning is nice. It feels really good. The wheel is amazing. I mean, the luxury in here is incredible. Wood shift knob. I don't know if you can see, you got 2 ashtrays, his and hers. It's pretty funny. The burled wood on the door cards and the dashboard and the steering wheel, center console. It's just gorgeous and in great shape. The glove box works like a charm, very clean on the inside there. Looks like there's a little fuse panel right down there too. I do see an aftermarket stereo in here as well. There are Blaupunk door speakers. There are subs in the back. So whoever had this car before was an audiophile, and it still all works. I'd love to be able to show you what it's like. However, copyright music, YouTube, I don't need that headache, right? Trust me, it's loud and it sounds really good. It's idling pretty well. I would say it's right around 1,000 RPM. The one trick of this car is the clutch is very high engaging. So you can push it all the way down and it really doesn't start grabbing until you're at the tippy top of the travel for the pedal. This is a cruiser though, so basically all you do is you take it slow, take it easy. I believe it's a 5-speed manual. You've got a straight inline-six. It's purring right along, air conditioning is cool, all the electrics and gauges work, power mirrors. The headliner is really nice, sunroof. Oh, she gets up there. Yeah, and that clutch does engage very high. So the ride itself is very smooth. Suspension-wise, road feel, a little bit comes through the steering wheel, but through the suspension, the unsprung weight, it is smooth as silk. Incredible. And again, AC is doing its job. This is a 92-degree day here in Florida. It's brutal hot and humid, and the AC is actually making it comfortable to drive in here. So that's impressive for how old it is. And I'm just super impressed with the way this drives. It's so fun and it's so clean. I mean, the interior looks like is just a couple years old, not 40 years old. That's wild to even say. 40-year-old car I'm driving, and it feels like, interior-wise, it's 5 years old. It's even nicer because, I mean, all the wood, there's little felt right here on the dashboard so that you can put your, I don't know what they would put there in the past, maybe like their pipe or something. There's a little bit of shaking coming from the actual gear shifter. So there's like a Jaguar logo on the shifter that has a little bit of noise coming from it. So maybe a little tightening or something like that might work. But honestly, there's not a lot of creaks. There's not a lot of squeaks. Absolutely nothing coming from the chassis. It really is a smooth, really nice drive. Oil pressure is good. Voltage is good. Temperatures are good. It is up to temp. Brakes feel pretty good too. Haven't had any issues stopping. It drives very straight, so there's a really good alignment. Going over bumps is like nothing at all, period. A little bit of road noise, but otherwise this is smooth. What a treat to drive a piece of history like this. I'm just thrilled. This is incredible.